Welcome to another episode of Schoology Mystery Theater. We're going to read a story today about my friend Skeleton over here and his struggles with the hiccups. Not only does he have a high metabolism, he struggles with the hiccups regularly. Skeleton Hiccups by Marjorie Kohler and illustrated by S.C. Schnidler. Skeleton woke up. Hick, hick, hick. What an awful way to start your day with some hiccups. Had the hiccups. Hick, hick, hick. Hick, hick, hick. Even in the shower. Look, he even lost his soap. That is not a good way to start your morning. Took a shower. At least he's clean and smelling good. Brushed his teeth. Hick! Oh, no. Hick, hick! Oh! He lost his jaw. Wonder what he's doing now with his ghost white. Polished his bones. Hick, hick, hick. Still got those doggone hiccups. Carved a pumpkin. Well, that sounds like fun. Brighten your day. Hick, hick, hick. He couldn't even enjoy carving his pumpkin. Poor skeleton. It was a beautiful day. He looks pretty happy to rake some leaves. Rake some leaves. Hick, hick, hick. Played with ghost. Hick, hick, hick. Oh! Aren't you supposed to catch the ball in your mitt? He can't even catch the ball. His hiccups are so bad. Ghost told Skeleton, hick, hick, hick. Hold your breath. Hick, hick. Oh, he's trying. Doesn't look like it's working. Eat some sugar. Hick, hick, hick. Well, that might have worked if he had a stomach. Now, kids, I don't recommend you try this at home. I have never heard of this before. Press your fingers, hick, 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 over your eyeballs. Hick, hick, hick. Doesn't look like that one worked either. Drink some water. Hick, hick, hick. Upside down. Hick, hick, hick. Doesn't look like that worked. Made a mess all over the floor, too. Came right out his eyeballs. Ghost made a face. Rah! Hick, hick, hick. It's hard when your friends try to scare you, because they're really not too scary, huh? Said boo, the skeleton. Hick, hick, hick. Oh, he's still got those hiccups. But nothing worked. Hick, hick, hick. The hiccup stayed. Hick, hick, hick. Then Ghost got smart. Hick, hick, hick. What do you think he's going to pull out of there? I'm a little nervous to find out. Found a mirror. Hick, hick, hick. Held it up. Hick, hick, hick. Skeleton screamed, hick! What did he see in the mirror? He is scared of his own reflection. He saw himself. The hiccups left. Oh! Everybody's happy. Everybody's smiling. Oh, he feels like a new man. Hick, hick, hick. That ghost, he's so smart. They jumped away. Hick, hick, hick. Hooray! Happy Halloween, and thank you for watching another episode of Schoology Mystery Theater.